an agency for looking externally. Do you also focus on internal use cases also?
Yes. So when we started the internal team in 2018, as a new team, you do get to experiment quite a lot. So we worked with all different businesses across Close Brothers, doing your, I guess now, standard data science projects like customer churn, helping with lead generation. You're always trying to identify projects in the businesses that can either help increase the revenue or reduce the cost. And sometimes, as you've said, it's not always about building the most complex model. We're working with our asset finance business on helping them generate better leads for the salespeople. And in the end, during running the project, we just identified a really great data supplier who would supply us with great leads. And there was nothing else data science would add to that solution. So you just run a really good process. You evaluate different data providers. And if a complex model doesn't add anything, well, there's no need to build it.
Yeah. Yeah, it's refreshing, Viktor, to hear you say that, actually, because I know you've not necessarily come from a sort of data science background. You've pivoted yourself into it, but it's so common to hear that just sort of the technical side, wanting to focus on the technical bit, wanting to focus on building data science and complex data science, but this idea that apply the right solution to the right problem, regardless of the complexity behind, in fact, make it as simple as possible is what you're saying. Don't make it as complex as possible. I think that's really refreshing to hear.